Welcome to Farm Shop Connect. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through how to create your farm's equipment profiles in the app. Once you have logged into the app, you will click on Resources at the bottom of your screen. Select your resource type at the top of the page, and you will want to select Equipment. Next, click on the Add Equipment button. This is where you will enter all the necessary information to create your equipment's profile. In the profile, you will create the name for your piece of machinery, provide a description, and the model number. In section 2, you can enter the year of your equipment, the serial number, the year the equipment was acquired, and select the time service interval. The time service notification allows the app to notify you when a scheduled maintenance on the equipment is due. In the third section, we have large text boxes to add in oil types and capacities, filter numbers and part numbers, and a note section to add in any additional information about your piece of equipment that you feel is necessary. Once your equipment is added, it will be in the master list on the resource tab under equipment. When you want to see your equipment's profile, select the piece of equipment and it will take you to its profile with all the information you've added to it. You also have the option to take a picture of the piece of equipment through the app or upload a picture from your camera roll. That picture will be in the circle icon in the master list. The next feature to highlight is the search bar that is right beside the Add Equipment button. When you click on that, you can search the name of any piece of equipment you have added into Farm Shop Connect. Moving over to vehicles, it is very similar to equipment with just a few different features. You can add the plate number, the expiry for the safety policy, and the insurance policy number. Lastly, you can check off if the vehicle has an active registration. Back to the main page for vehicles, if you click on the eye icon on the top right corner, this will allow you to pull a report of all vehicles with an active registration or non-active registration. This can be saved as a PDF. Back to the main page for vehicles, if you click on the Vehicle Safety Records button, it will show you what safeties have expired, and you can also pull a PDF report for all of the vehicles and the safety dates. Moving to buildings, you can create profiles for each buildings on the farm and can set a time-based service notification as well. When first setting up your farm, this can be a lot of information to add from your phone. That is one of the reasons why we created Farm Shop Connect as a web version too. You can add all your farm's information from a desktop by logging into your account from our website. Now that all your farm's information is entered into the app, you can fully utilize the task management and service record features, which we will cover in videos to come. As always, thank you for choosing Farm Shop Connect.